Hello students. First chapter was integers, that is completed. Now second chapter is rational numbers. So first of all, we will understand what are rational numbers. The numbers which can be written in P upon Q form. The numbers which can be written in P upon Q form means fraction. Whereas P and Q both are integers. P and Q both are integers, but q should not be is equal to 0. Q should not be is equal to 0. P and Q both are integers, but q is not is equal to 0. Suppose 2 upon 3, value of P is 2 and value of Q is 3. So 2 upon 3 is a rational number. Minus 8, value of P is minus 8 and value of Q is, it is understood, value of Q is 1. So minus 8 is a rational number. Next, minus 3 upon 0. So value of P is minus 3 and value of Q is 0. And what is the condition here? Q is not is equal to 0. So 3 upon 0 is not a rational number. For rational number, the number which can be written in P upon Q form, P and Q both are integers, Q is not is equal to 0. So the number is called a rational number.
Start.
So first sum is, write down a rational number with numerator minus 5 multiply minus 4 and with denominator 28 minus 27 multiply 8 minus 5. So first of all, we will write numerator. Numerator is equal to, what is the numerator? Minus 5 multiply minus 4. This we will solve first. So 5 for the 20, minus minus plus. So 5 for the 20. Numerator is 20. Then denominator. Denominator is equal to 28 minus 27 multiply 8 minus 5. Same we will use D mass. So denominator is equal to 28 minus 7 inside the bracket multiply 8 minus 5 inside the bracket. For this we will use BODMAS as we have done in previous chapter. So first of all we will open the brackets. So 28 minus 7, 1. 28 minus 27, 1. Multiply 8 minus 5, 3. So 3 1 the 3. 3 1 the 3. So rational number is equal to, rational number is equal to, first we will write numerator 20, then denominator upon 3. So rational number is equal to 20 upon 3. So students, second sum is, separate positive and negative rational numbers from the following. So first we will write here positive rational numbers. Then negative rational numbers. So see, minus 3 upon 5, minus plus minus, it means negative, so it is negative rational number. We will write minus 3 upon 5 in negative heading. Positive rational number, see 3 upon minus 5 plus minus minus, it is also negative, so 3 upon minus 5. Then minus 3 upon minus 5, minus minus plus, so minus 3 upon minus 5 is a positive rational number. We will write minus 3 upon minus 5. Then 4 upon 9 is positive rational number, it is clear. 4 upon 9. Then minus 4 upon 15, minus plus minus, negative, so minus 4 upon 15. then 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So next, minus 1 clearly is negative rational number, minus 1. Then next is minus 15 upon 8, minus plus minus negative, so minus 15 upon 8. Then 2 upon 3, positive rational number, so we will write 2 upon 3. Then minus 9, negative rational number, so minus 9 is negative rational number. I hope second sum is clear to all. So move to the third sum. It is fill up type of sum. So third sum, first part is 15 upon 1 in integer form is. It is in rational number form. So when we will convert this in integer form, so it will come minus 15. See, minus 15 upon 1. We can write minus 15. 1 is understood here. So minus 15 upon 1 in integer form is minus 15. Next, 23 upon minus 1 in integer form is same quotient, but negative sign is in denominator. So minus plus minus. It means minus 23. Next, if 18 is equal to 18 upon a, 18 upon a is equal to 18, we can say this also. Then a is equal to what value we will put here? It will come 18 minus 1 or 1. We will put 1. We will put 1. If we will put minus 1, it will come minus 18. If 18 is equal to 18 upon a, then a is equal to 1. Then it will come 18 when the value of a is 1. Now this one, if minus 57 is equal to 57 upon a, then a is equal to what value we will put here? It will come minus 57 minus 1. Here we will put minus 1. When we will put here minus 1, minus plus minus 57. Same, it means we will put here minus 1. So fourth sum, find 3 rational number equivalent to. First part is 3 upon 5. So we will write 3 times 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5. We will write 3 times 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5. In this, we will multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator both. Multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. One thing I want to clear to you, that if we will multiply in numerator and denominator by same integer, it make no effect on rational number. When we will do multiply by same integer in numerator and denominator both, it makes no effect on rational number. So we are doing the same. 3 upon 5, 3 multiply by 2, 5 multiply by 2. Then here multiply by 3. Then here multiply by 3. Here multiply by 4, multiply by 4. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. We can take any other integer also. That integer can be negative also. So 3 rational number equivalent to 3 upon 5 are 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20. First we will write 3 times 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 3 upon 5. In first, multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Second by 3, and in third by 4. So after doing multiply in numerator and denominator both, what we are getting? 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20. So 3 rational numbers equivalent to 3 upon 5 are 6 upon 10, 9 upon 15, 12 upon 20. Now come to the
Start.
so second part is 2 upon minus 9. We will do in the same way. 2 upon minus 9, 2 upon minus 9, 2 upon minus 9. Multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. Multiply by 3. Here also multiply by 3. Now by 4. So we will do the multiply. 2 2s are 4. 9 2s are 18. Minus plus minus 18. 2 3s are 6. 9 3s are 27. Minus plus minus 27. 2 4s are 8. 9 4s are 36. Minus plus minus 36. So 3 rational numbers equivalent to 2 upon minus 9 are 4 upon minus 18, 6 upon minus 27, 8 upon minus 36. We can write this minus sign with numerator also. 4 upon minus 18, 6 upon minus 27, 8 upon minus 36. So fifth sum is express each of the following integers as a rational number with denominator 7. We have to express 5 as a denominator 7. Denominator should be 7 in this. So we will write 5 first. So tell me what is the denominator here first. First denominator is 1. Denominator is 1. So we will write 5 is equal to 5 multiply. We have to take denominator 7. So 5 multiply 7. In denominator also we will do multiply by 7. 5 multiply 7 upon, do one thing here, 5 upon 1, then multiply 7. We will multiply by 7 in both numerator and denominator. 5 multiply by 7 upon 1 multiply by 7. So 5 7 the 35, then 7 1 the 7. Now you can see denominator is 7. Second part, minus 8 is equal to minus 8 upon 1. Minus 8 is equal to minus 8 upon 1. Multiply by 7. Multiply by 7. Then in denominator also multiply by 7. So 8 7 the 56. 8 7 the 56. Minus plus minus. 8 7 the 56. Minus plus minus. 7 1 the 7. So you can see the denominator is 7 here. Minus 56 upon 7. Third part, 0. It means 0 upon 1. Multiply by 7. In denominator also multiply by 7. So 0 7 the 0. 7 1 the 7. It means denominator is 7 here. What is asking in the question? Express each of the following integers as a rational number with denominator 7. So we will multiply in numerator and denominator both by 7. So we will get in first part 35 upon 7, second part minus 56 upon 7, third part 0 upon 7. Sixth sum, express 3 upon 5 as a rational number. Now this time we have to express 3 upon 5. We have to express 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator. In first part denominator should be 20 in this part. In second part denominator should be minus 35. So first we will write 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 multiply, in which we have to convert denominator 20. So we will multiply by 20. 3 upon 5. 3 multiply 20. 5 multiply 20. Express 3 upon 5 as a rational number with denominator 20. So 3 upon 5. In this denominator should be 20. So 3 upon 5 multiply in numerator 20. In denominator also 20. So we will not touch this 20. We should keep this 20 as it is, because we have to change this 5 into 20. We will not touch this. So we will divide 5 for the 20. Any other number except this? No. So 4 threes are 12 upon 20. Now you can see denominator is 20. In second part, we have to take denominator minus 35. So 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiply by minus 35 upon multiply by minus 35. We will not cut this minus 35. We will not cut this. So we can cut this. 5 7 the 35. 5 7 the 35. Any other? No. 3 7 the 21. Plus minus minus 21 upon minus 35. You can see here denominator is minus 35.
Stop.
In third part, we have to convert into 60. So 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 multiply by 60 and multiply by 60. So we will not touch this. We can divide this. 5 1 the 5. 5 2 the 10. We are getting 12. So 12 3s are 36 upon 60. Fourth part. 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiply by minus 30. Here also by minus 30. So 5 6 are 30. 6 3s are 18. Plus minus minus 18. Then minus 30 is the answer. So students, these 7 sums you will do in homework. Thank you.